जय रूप सनातन भट्ट रघुनाथ श्री जीव गोपाल भट्ट दास रघुनाथ ए छय गोसाई करी चरणी बंदन जहा हईते विघ्ननाश अभीष्ट पुराण श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौर भक्तवृंद हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे। In the first of all, I offer my respectful obeisances to His Divine Grace Nityalila Pravishtam Vishnupada Stotra Sata Sri Srila Bhakti Vaibhav Puri Goswami Maharaj, my Sannyasi Guru Nityalila Pravishtam Vishnupada Srila Bhakti Jivana Janardana Goswami Maharaj, and also Sikhya Guru Bhakti Vigyan Bharati Goswami Maharaj, and all our guru-vargas. By their causeless mercy and our parampara acharyas, and who are reciting in Vrindavana Dham, in Govardhan, Radha-kund, all are Vaishnavas. Trees, plants, animals, and the dust land here. I surrender to them and pray again and again their causeless mercy to understand, to enter this transcendental topic of Sri Radha Krishna's divine couple, their prema, this divine love, which is beyond our intelligence, consciousness, even not only human, for the demigods and rishis who are living in paradise like a heavenly planet with sattva guna, goodness. Same time, I respect all you are present, Maharaj here, devotees here, who does not want anything in this world, to not do anything, to not get anything, what they will do in this world. रे धड़धाड़ करना आधा घंटा अपेक्षा करो. Who has no any desire in this world to enjoying anything, to do not do anything, what they will do in this life? They commit suicide, they will go to take drugs. What they will do? What is the meaning of life? What is the aim of life? This is place for them, for their soul, for their mind, for their senses. This is divine nectar to them. Prem. For them, this is just relish, taste, and enjoy, or swim. Mahaprabhu told, Anandam buddhi vardhanam pratipadam purnamruta swadanam सर्वात्म स्नपनं परं विजयति श्री कृष्ण संकीर्तनम. Parang Vijayati. Param means supreme. Vijayate, Jaya Sri is Radharani. She is Sri. What is that? Sankirtanam. Energy, Prakriti and Purusha generator. Both couple the cause of all this creation. Yesterday, little we have discussed. Just we were talking here the glories of Radha-kund. In our Chaitanya Mahaprabhus, according to Parampara Brahma Madhva Gaudiya Sampradaya, Gaudiya means which is coming from Gauda country, Desa, Gauda Desa. Desa means Gauda place. Gauda means Bengal. Now name is Bengal. Before was Gauda. And Odisha was Odhra. It's Sanskrit name in Vedic name, scriptures. And Andhra Pradesh is Dravida. Before previous names there. So, from the Gauda Desha, it came because of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu appeared there and he distributed this divine prema to Kali Yuga people, not particular one caste, one religion or one type of any place. He distributed to whole world without discriminate any country, any gender, any religion, any culture, any color, poor or rich, literate or illiterate, he distributed to everyone this divine prema. Therefore, this Kali Yuga became glorious. Gourpremanande. What about Radha-kund? If we cannot read in label prescribed what is inside, we can't understand what is this object. Same, if we don't go to know the glories of this katha, this topic, and glories of this place, and the glories of the person, we can't understand anything. First, we have to go to understand them, who they are, and what is the subject. Then we will get interest. We will get appetite. Hungry come. If no hungry, what maybe you are getting food, maybe rich food, but if you have no hungry, then you cannot enjoy this. Bhagavatam told. Bhakti pareshanubhavo virakti anyatra chaisa trika eka kalaha prapadyamanasya jathasnatah syuhu tusti pusti khyudupay anughasam. In 11th canto, when Navayogendra, they were discussing about Bhakti Dharma, Bhagavata Dharma, Vaishnava Dharma, about our Vaishnava Dharma, he told, Bhakti pareshan habo. This is like we are eating when we are hungry. When you are hungry, then this digestive fire digests our stomach fire, burns our stomach. बस ऊपर बस नले एखाने बस तले बस न ठंडा लगे. So this fire burnt our stomach, blood, and fire will go affect to the muscles, then go to brain also, mind. Then we lose our all natural, our feelings, also natural our activities. We can't see proper. We see the yellow color come because bile and mixed with the blood. Then we see yellow color. Everywhere you see yellow color. Maybe in your life you never have this such kind of hunger. Here also, inside sound come out. You will feel that the sound come out. Also smell come out. And you will lose your strength. You cannot sit, you cannot think, maybe you lie down. This is the power of this hunger. You see, Parikshita Maharaj in Bhagavatam, such great personality, just for little water, because he was feeling thirsty, he could not get. There is near one river, Saraswati river, water was there. But he entered to ashram to get some water. He could not get answer, any reply there, and nobody gave, nobody welcomed to him. So he lost his intelligence, consciousness. And immediately he put one snake, dead snake was there somewhere, put in his neck. He was a great sadhu says, Sarmi Rishi, he was sitting in samadhi. He could not understand. Parikshita Maharaj himself, he spoke in Bhagavatam. This hunger is like powerful, so powerful, we can lose everything. So such hunger is there, then you got some food. You are hungry, then you got food, delicious food. So what do? You start to eat. No? How you can eat? That is also one step by step necessary. How we eat? We have only a small mouth. We cannot eat everything once. We have to eat one bowl and another bowl. And we have only one little pipe there. You can swallow this. Not we eat everything. According our one bowl, another bowl, according the quantity, we free from our suffering of hunger. Bhakti is like that. Once one cannot do anything. Gradually process. You eat gradually. If you put so much in mouth, maybe you cannot breathe, you stop your breath and you die. You have to eat little only, because there is process like that. system is like that. Same, this bhakti, how you eat, quantity, same quantity, we free from suffering, same quantity, we feel strength, and same quantity, we feel happiness. Three sa eka kala, these three simultaneously happening and feeling, experience calm. So this bhakti also same. Bhakti hi pareshanubhavo virakti anyatra. Chaisa trika eka kala. This bhakti to Paresha, Parameswara, Sri Krishna, Radha Krishna, Bhakti Kam, and inside the anubhuti, experience we realization, we say realization. Realization, we realize how I am free from material, all kind of desires, sufferings by body or senses or mind will not affect to us. We will not suffer by that. This is one. Another is I feel pleasure. Another is love to Krishna. Three ka ekaka. These three simultaneously happen, same like our body with hunger. It is given example in 11th canto, Bhagavatam, and Rupa Goswami also mentioned, Sanatana Goswami mentioned this verse in Bhagavatamrita. Bhakti is like that. No, nothing is speculation. Bhakti is not sentimental or any kind of speculation or mysticism or anything which not the truth. Bhakti is with the truth, with our experience, and it is pure, clear, nothing to duplicitous, cheat, nothing. If somebody do himself, he will cheated, he will be cheated. You will never get this. So anyhow, because we have few days here, by the mercy of Raghunath Das Gosvami and Radha-kund and Dham and Vaishnavas, we are here. I think to discuss Raghunath Das Gosvami, who was residing here in Govardhan Prarthana Dasakam. In 10 verses, he prayed to Govardhan. He prayed to Govardhan, "O Govardhan, please give shelter to me." He prayed to Govardhan. But Govardhan is not one place. Govardhan is many places, many pastimes, Radha Krishna's pastimes there, with the gopas, with the gopis, and also the Indra came here, and Govardhan was lifted 7 days and nights. So Govardhan is many places there. But Raghunath Das Goswami, he chose Radha-kund. Radha-kund's glories is written in other Puranas, in Varaha Puranas. Jatha Radha Priya Vishnu Tasa Tasya Kundang Priyam Tatha. Jatha Radha Priya Krishna. Krishna's dearest is most dearest is Radharani. If we compare to any other, his most really in Vaikuntha Lakshmi Devi, and Dwarika, Rukmani, Satyabhama, Jambavati, Mitravinda, Kalindi, all they are 16,000. Then in Vrindavan, many also thousands, even written millions. Among them, both Chandravali and Radharani both are top. Among them, Guniri Ati Variyasi. Not only like that, they have such qualities. They have such all arts to satisfy Krishna, to serve Krishna. Among both, Radharani was topmost one. What qualities they have in Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu and Chaitanya Charitamrita, Ujjvala Nilamani is written. This is not that, oh, maybe you like, you say this. No, it is logical. It is written in Puranas and scriptures is written. After see and hear, naturally attracted by devotees. This is katha. It comes by katha. How one can understand? After hearing. Whenever they don't hear, they don't know anything. They cannot attract. By hearing this sound, Shabda Brahma, which is coming related to the Supreme Personality of Godhead, by the devotee's mouth, by the realization, and from Guru Parampara and the scriptures there. When we hear this, every word enter to our heart, our mind, our intelligence, our consciousness, soul become cool and get the energy. Maybe they are sleeping, maybe doing something misdeeds, they became perfect, they got energy and they wake up. They are dragging by last anger, envious, readiness in these three moods of nature. Sometimes want to be yogi, sometimes want to be a jnani, sometimes want to be a heavenly planet. I go to enjoying this, that, many varieties there, but everything clear, become humble and a devotee. Not only devotee, devotees, servant, to serve Gopi Bhartu Pada Kamala Yoradasa Dasa Dasa Anudasa. This is the glories of Katha. By hearing, we will get this. We clear our intelligence. So, Raghunath Das Gosvami, he prayed before to Govardhan, now pray to Radha-kund. Radha-kund, Shyama-kund, Govardhan, these places are eternal. Always exist in Goloka Vrindavan. There is all these places, Rasa Mandapa there, always Rasa Leela going on there, always these pastimes exist. That this is not new here. But in this place where we are living, this place is a different place. Yesterday we discussed little about this place. This is a different energy. This is movable, always moving. Everything is moving here. Mountain, ocean, stars, planets, sun, moon, and all plants, house, air, fire, water. What is here? Every atoms to complete universe, all are moving. Nothing is fixed. Nothing is steady. We are also moving. Maybe we are sitting here, but we are moving here. This house moving, and everything is moving. Our inside, everything is moving. Heart is moving, beating, the pulse riding, lungs, liver, pancreas, kidney, blood, cells, mind, eyes, everything, every cells moving, speedily moving. So what is reality? Where is permanent? We want permanent everything, we want to reality everything, we want where is the truth? Where you get? But here some extraordinary, some charming here, because it's created by the Supreme Lord. We are not created. He is created. And He created like this. It's moving with Kala, it's Kala Chakra. So here something is superior than spiritual planet, because spiritual planet is fixed. Spiritual planet is fixed. Everything is steady. Everything is steady, everything is fixed, everything is if there. Then people also sometimes they don't like if same thing, always same thing. They want something change. Therefore Krishna created this to perform here his some pastimes which he cannot enjoy there. Enjoy there. Therefore, in Bhagavatam and Rupa Goswami's instruction, he told, Vaikunthat janita vara madhupuri tatrapi rasho chavat Vrindaranyam udara pani ramana tatrapi govardhanaha Radha-kund mihapi gokulapatehe prema amruta plavanat kuryadasya virajato giritate sevang vivekina. Therefore, he told Vaikunthat from the spiritual planet, Vaikuntha, Vara Madhupuri, Mathura is superior. How? Here always suffering, birth, death, old age, and all kind of disease and all kinds of problems. So how it became superior from spiritual mind? Many yogis, many jnanis, philosophers, many logic, they told this is false, this is lie, this is false, this is they wanted to go to spiritual planet and merged with the Brahma. The Kanti, Brahma, effulgence, they want to go to liberation. Some are also in other religion, they wanted to go to heaven, paradise, they want to enjoy more themselves, something like that, bhukti, mukti. But in according Srimad Bhagavatam and our Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's teachings, no. This place is also some extremely attractive here. Krishna also attractive here. Not everything is suffering. Suffering also give you more enjoyment. That is another concept there. If you are hungry, if you want to enjoy food, taste food, you have to wait for hunger, appetite. If you are full stomach, you are invited to take food, very nice, delicious food there, then what will do? Wait, I am not hungry. Wait, I am not hungry means hunger is suffering, so you are waiting for suffering, no? Then you enjoy the food. Same, where is dukkha, there is sukha. This is the bhakti. Yesterday we discussed. Therefore Kunti Devi told, Vipadaha Santu, Shaspat, always give me suffering. Because this suffering only give us to achieve, to enjoy, to remember the supreme, this transcendental pleasure. So, therefore, Raghunath Das Gosvami here, he prayed to Radha-kund. He wants to stay here. Among Govardhan, he decided to stay in Radha-kund. Therefore, Radha-kund is so glorious. In our Rupa Goswami's teachings, he told, Viveki, who has knowledge to discriminate what is right, what is wrong, and what is superiority among all, that such kind of discrimination, if they see, then they have to come to Radha-kund. There is no superior from Radha-kund, and everything centralized, topmost from the Radha-kund as a scriptural evidence. Jatha Radha Priya Vishnu Tasya Kundang Priyam Tatha. How even when Radharani became angry, Krishna came to convince her, to please her with his eyes and tears. He also prayed to Radha-kund to please her. So maybe in our material concept, consciousness, intelligence, our knowledge with logic, maybe we cannot understand this because this is beyond our intelligence, consciousness, inconceivable. Mahaprabhu told, inconceivable. So this is the glorious of Sri Radha-kund, and Raghunath Das Gosvami has written 8 verses. Pray. He prayed to Radha-kund to give me shelter. Before he prayed to Govardhan, he has written Govardhan Prarthana, Dasakam, in 10 verses. Then he prayed to Radha-kund. First he told, Vrishabha Dhanuja Tashat Narma Dharmoktirangaihi Nikhila Nija Sakhivi Jataswagastat Purnam Prakatitam Api Vrindaranya Rajna Pramodehi Stadati Surabhi Radha-kundameva Asrayome. You can bring this Astaka, so you can also chant, you can understand. Tomorrow you can bring it, is available I think in internet. You will, every day who are living here, they should pray this. Without follow up Goswamis, we cannot be qualified here to stay or to get Radha-kunda's mercy. We have to follow our guru-vargas, our Goswamis, authentics who are authority, their footstep, to follow their path. Therefore, we have to pray them and follow what they have given us by their writing. That is scripture. They have written this, not they are just speaking. They have written for us and they teach their causeless mercy to us. So first he told Vrishabha Danuja Nasat. He brought in his verse Vrishabha Danuja. Vrishabha means one bull. Danuja means Danu. Danu is daughter of Daksha Prajapati. And she married to Kashyapa. And who took birth from her, they became Danavas. Danavas, Devatas, Daityas, Aditya's sons are Adityas, Devatas, Diti's sons are Daityas, Danu's sons are Danavas. They are each other, they are quarreling. And Aditya's sons are Devatas, demigods. But Diti, Daityas, first Daitya is Hiranyak. Their dynasty came. Then Danus, Danavas, you see Maya Danava, you know. Murasura, this is Danava. They are all Asuras, demons like Rams. So this is a Vrishabha, a bull, Danuja. Danu means this. Coming from the Kashyap's dynasty, CJ, he was a Danava. Danava, we are the demons. In demons, Danuja, Rakhyasa, Jakya, Rakya, Rakhyasa, Pishacha, all they are coming from demons family. Say so, here Radha-kunda appeared here. Radha-kunda always exists. Not this is like Krishna appeared. Means Krishna is always like that. We are also eternal. Not we are in 50 years or 60 years we are here. We are also eternal. But according to the system of our birth, father and mother, this body, we are getting, this body, now some years here. But it's not according to the time, it's eternal. So we are also same. Everything is truth. Everything is truth. Nothing is false. The creation came from truth, not coming from false. Satyam param dhimai. In Srimad Bhagavatam, first verse. Janamadasya jata. The creation come from Satyam param dhimai. From Parama Satya, it came from truth. Without truth, how it came? But it looks like Tejo Vari Mrudang Jatha Minimayo. He has given one example here. It looks like Tejo Vari Mruda Jatha, like that in this world. How? teje, bari. In the sunshine, it looks like water, not true. Looks like water. Tejo bari. Bari mrudam. Looks like that. This is, they say, kuhakam. Kuhakam like magic. It looks like magic. Like in cinema, movie. We see. What we see, nothing is true there. In this television machine, what we see, nothing is true there. Nothing is true in television, but truth is some place where they took the picture. That is, there is truth there. Nothing is truth, nothing is, all are false. But how is Krishna's this mystic power, how he created this to perform this Leela. Perform this Leela. This Leela Tattva, if we cannot understand Leela Tattva, we cannot understand the Bhakti. Because Bhakti we worship to Leela. Oh, how we worship Govinda, Gopinath, Madan Mohan. What is the meaning of Govinda, Gopinath, Madan Mohan? Same Krishna is there. Huh? What is many philosophers, many logic peoples, they know what is Govinda, Gopinath, Madan Mohan. What is Dwarika Krishna? What is Mathura Krishna? What is Vrindavan Krishna? You are crazy. Why you are saying like this? Because they cannot understand who are Rasikas, Bhabukas, Pivata bhagavata.dharma.ashram. Only Rasikas who knows this rasa. Which rasa? Bhav rasa. What is Bhav? Bhav is spiritual. Bhav is conscious. Bhav is Chetana. Ananda Chinmaya rasa pratibhavitavi. Ananda Chinmaya rasa. So they don't know about this. So who knows this in spiritual planet, they can enjoy this, drink this, pivata bhagavata rasam. So first who wants to understand bhakti, they have to come to understand Leela. Bhakti is Leela. He created for Leela. Sarvanandamayam mukunda daitam Leela-anukulam. Everything is, he created Leela-anukulam. Everything is Leela-anukulam. Without demons, how the Leela will perform? Without demons, how will demons means who is opposite hero. Without hero heroine, the drama cannot perform, and hero heroine there means opposite hero must be there, opposite heroine must be there, and fighting should go there, and then rasa will come out. If nothing is there, then this cannot go on Leela. For example, they are now playing cricket or football or famous and these they are all over world they are just looking. But they see two groups must be there. No opposition party must be there. Then some points there who will win have come to victory. India, Pakistan became this crazy. Millions, billions they are measured to be. Because must be there negative and positive. Opposition and position must be there. Otherwise Leela cannot come. So here also, in this Leela, need opposition. Therefore Krishna sent first Jaya Vijaya to come here. There must be someone, must be like him. If villain is not like that, then how hero will fight with them? Must be equal. Same standard. Then they will fight. Then these qualities come. How is he truthful? How is morality? How is his patience, how is tolerance, how is mercy, how is compassion, and maintain his chastity, morality, it will come. So all Leela come. Without Ravana, Ram, nobody knows. Without this Hiranya, who no come to Nrsingadev. And without Kansa and Jarasandha and all these, many these demons like others, how it come? Also in the Sringara Rasa, conjugal love, without Chandravali and Padma and Savyadiri group, how who Radharani's heroine mood come? So there must be some opposition. We have to understand this and respect this. Respect this. Otherwise, Leela cannot perform. You want to enjoy the rasas, they have to respect each actors. Each actors. They have also some position there. Otherwise, you cannot enjoy these rasas. If you have so many varieties, food, without salt, you cannot enjoy. Maybe you have a nice preparation. All valuable your vegetables, all preparation, everything. If you don't put salt, then you cannot taste. Some example like that. Same, all in Sanskrit told patras. Patras. That is in Rasa Shastra day Asraya Avalambanam, Vishaya Avalambanam and Asraya Avalambanam, Uddipana, Vibhava, Vishaya and Asraya. Therefore, we devotees give importance to Asraya-tattva. Because through Asraya, we can enjoy the Vishaya. In Ujjala Nilamani, all Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu also, in Chaitanya Charitamrita also, we have given. For example, there is water. You want to drink. How you will drink? You can jump to drink. Then you might finish. Water will drink you. So what is necessary? You take one pot. Take some water from by pot, then you drink. This pot is Asraya. Through via media, we have to take. So Radha-kund, we enjoy through whom? Whom? By Raghunath Das Gosvami. We have to come. Raghunath Das Gosvami and our Chaitanya Charitamrita, Rupa Raghunatha Padejara Das, Chaitanya Charitamrita Kahe Krishna Das. Chaitanya Charitamrita explained by Krishna Das Kaviraj, Rupa Goswami and Raghunath Goswami. And Rupa Anuga, Raghunath Das Goswami told Rupa Anuga this word in Manasikha, he told this. This is coming from Rupa Goswami's all Siddhanta. With all evidence and logic, it comes scriptures. Nothing is speculate, imagine, not created anything. Everything authentic. Then Raghunath Das Goswami, then come Narottama Das Thakur, Shyamananda Prabhu, then by from Parampara, then come to Vishwanath Chakravarti Thakur, Balada Vidyabhushan, Bhakti Vinod Thakur, Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur Prabhupada, then our Gurus. We follow the footsteps of them. So now Raghunath Das Goswami come and he first word he told, Vrishabha Danuja Nasat. First he brought the villain. Hero comes after, no? In the drama, first hero never come. Hero-heroine never come first. Maybe to show some trailer, maybe they bring something, they show like that. But when the story start from others. Then hero, heroine come. No? Then the people are waiting when he will come, this hero, and then they will bring this. So Raghunath Das Gosvami has brought first demon. Vrishabha, the Arista, his name was Arista. He was a bull. Vrishabha Dhanuja Nashat Dharmoktir Ange. Yesterday I discussed this prem. The prem is a eternal characteristic of the soul and Krishna and Radha. They are the form of prem. Our soul also eternally characteristic love is there. And it comes prem when once somebody to someone love, then this love how continue, that is no one can say. There is no any rules and regulations and no any principles. Anytime, any type of love can appear without any reason. Sometimes comes, which way come, nobody can say why it happened. All the scriptures, all the logic, all the knowledge, they go up to the edge. After that, no more discussion, no more logic there. Up to finish, up to love they can come. But after love, they should stay. And this knowledge is given one example like a knife. This knife to cut the fruits. After cut the fruit, what will you do? Now you should take out. Knife you cannot eat. Knowledge is like a knife, So by knowledge to control mind, to intelligence and control necessary. After control, no need this. Then you have to go to service, to surrender there. Up to fully surrender, that is necessary. To know everything with logic, with philosophy, we need this. So there, and after that, no need. So here, only when you eat fruit, you don't keep your hand this knife. Maybe you break and cut your mouth, so you throw. No need anymore. Just enjoy the fruit, same like that. This transcendental topic, first Raghunath Das Gosvami brought to the demon, Aristasura Vrishabha Dharmoktirangi. Then, after come the prema, then everything will come again. Our dharma come, and mukti come, then bhukti come, and all sinful activities, what we say before, that became also ingredients of this prema. That is proper to understand. All become ingredients of the rasa in prema. So, when Krishna killed to Aristasura, how he came, how he has created big fear to every inhabitants of Vrindavan. It is written in Srimad Bhagavatam and other scriptures also. So everyone suffer. When a billion come, must be some like that. And when Hiranyaka appeared in this planet, when they first comes from Aditi's womb, when they touch their feet, the earth planet started to shake. Mountains started to also shake. And then stars, they fell down from their position. It's written in Srimad Bhagavatam. Then everyone, they started to fear. All demigods like sun, moon, fire, they lost their energy. They became weak. Fire cannot burn. Sun cannot give light. Then they asked to Brahma. In Bhagavatam there, it asked to Brahma, why we feel this? When he was in mother's womb, he attracted all energy from mothers, took everything. Then Brahma told, oh, Jaya Vijaya, they came from Vaikuntha planet and they attract all energies. But don't fear, Supreme Lord will come and he will make everything perfect. They killed him. So they came and they stayed with, they followed to Hiranya. They followed, they became servant. They are waiting for when come. Lord Hiranyaka and Varaha Murti when we came, when they started to fight with Varaha, with Hiranyaka, when they fighting with wrestling and fighting with this, that, many fighting, this with Gada also fighting. When Brahma prayed to Varaha, oh, now night coming, he became more powerful, please kill him, please kill him. He prayed in Bhagavatam to Varaha, he told, now night coming, this Nishachar demons became more powerful, please kill him, he prayed. So, this Leela, it is coming by this, so Dharmukti Rangehi, it came by Dharmukti. Dharma means religion and moral. Dharma. How? Narmukti. Narma means joking. When a lover, beloved, always they joke each other, no? Otherwise, no rasas are there. Sometimes they so joke each other, oh, you are looking very ugly, maybe. If you are very beautiful, they say very ugly. If you are very ugly, they say also you are very beautiful. This is love and this joking mood, Narma Ukti. Narma Ukti means with what is in English word, particular I don't know. What is Narma Ukti? When they laugh each other, joke each other, teaching each other, Narma Ukti. Nikhila Nija Sakhibi Jat Swahastena Purnam. With all Sakhibi, with friends, Lalita, Vichaka and others, Sakhibi, Nija Sakhibi Jat Swahastena Purnam. And by his own hand, they did this Radha-kund with all Sakhibi. Prakatitamapi Brundaranya Ragya Pramodehi. With the Pramoda, with their pastimes, with pleasure, Brundaranya, in Vrindavan, this forest. If it is eternal, but it appears like this Radha-kund. With a love it appears. So I want to shelter to Radha-kund. Radha Raghunath Das Gosvami, Praise Tadavi Surabhi Radha-kund Seva Asraya-me. Please, O Radha-kund, give me shelter to hear. First verse, he prayed like this. Thanks to all. Radha-kund ki jai, Raghunath Das Gosvami ki jai. Just we discussed today more previous glorious to understand the bhakti, the leela, the rasa, the scriptures and necessity of this. Many points we touched and subject we discussed one verse here. Tomorrow we will continue. Gourpremanande Hari Hari.